The Legend of Mayon Volcano, ang alamat ng Bulkang Mayon. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess named Daragang Magayon. Noong unang panahon, may isang prinsesa na nagngangalang Daragang Magayon. Her father was the ruler in the land called Bicol. Ang kanyang ama ay ang hari sa Bicol. Daragang Magayon was so beautiful and kind that many young men wanted to marry her. But Daragang Magayon had a secret. She was in love with Hadyong. Pero si Daragang Magayon ay may sikreto. Siya ay umiibig kay Hadyong. However, Hadyong is a warrior from a tribe that was an enemy to Daragang Magayon's family. Subalit si Hadyong ay isang mandirigma sa tribo na kaaway ng pamilya ni Daragang Magayon. So Daragang Magayon and Hadyong had to meet in hiding until one night, Hadyong's brother caught their meeting. Kaya si Daragang Magayon at Hadyong ay patuloy nagkikita ng patago. Ngunit isang gabi, sila ay nahuli sa kapatid ni Hadyong. When both families heard about it, they were furious. It started a war between the two tribes. Nang malaman nito ng kanilang pamilya, sila ay nagalit. Dito nagmula ang digmaan na naganap sa dalawang tribo. Hadyong fought in the battle too and got killed in the fight. Si Hadyong ay lumaban din sa digmaan at namatay. When Daragang Magayon heard the news of Hadyong's death, it broke her heart. Nang nakaabot kay Daragang Magayon ang balita sa pagkamatay ni Hadyong, nabiyak ang kanyang puso. She cried every day until she got sick. She soon died too. Araw-araw siya ay umiyak hanggang siya'y nagkasakit. Hindi nagtagal, siya rin ay namatay. Siya'y nagkasakit. Hindi nagtagal, siya rin ay namatay. With much sadness, Daragang Magayon's family and the townspeople buried the beautiful maiden. Lungkot na lungkot ang pamilya ni Daragang Magayon at mga taong bayan na inilibing siya. But after a few months had passed, the ground where she was buried grew and grew. After a few hundreds of years, it became a very beautiful. Pagkatapos ng maraming daang taon, ito'y naging isang magandang bulkan na ngayon ay nagngangalang Mayon.